Everyone's talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Gary Vee is talking about NFTs. Logan Paul has this CryptoPunk necklace now. He's talking about CryptoPunks. Eric, I'm telling you that right now. Our sister YouTube channel, Eric Sue, he owns a CryptoPunk and a cool cat. But this video is not about what are NFTs. This video is about how we launched our NFT project, Betty's, and got 5,000 followers on Twitter in 48 hours with no ads. You want to know how we did that? Stick around. Before we jump into it, make sure that you are subscribed down below and smash that like button. If you want more tutorial content about Twitter, vote with your thumbs, hit that like button, because if you don't vote, we won't make more videos like this. We'll make other videos, and you'll have missed the boat. So make sure, don't wait, don't FOMO. I was trying to rhyme it, couldn't rhyme it. So I was thinking we should do an NFT project. And I asked our designer, Monica, if she had any art. And she sent me this beautiful lady here with a cigarette, etc. So I wrote this tweet. I said, NFT Matic drop, Betty's 10,000 unique female avatars. Mint is next week. Put in your ETH wallet to win. And 2,209 already owned relates to a past tweet. We launched a project called CryptoBucks. And in order to launch that project, I did a similar tweet. It was just like, NFT Matic drop, put in your wallet down below, retweet. That's all I said. And we got 2,000 retweets on that. Then I posted this Betty, and we got another 700 retweets, 900 likes, over 1,000 wallets put in. After that came out, I realized maybe we should make our own Twitter account. So I took this image of the Betty's and made a Twitter account. So you can see our Twitter account here. And then I posted a couple tweets, and you can see how this evolved. So NFT Matic drop Betty's, 10,000 unique female avatars, mint is next week. So I took the exact one I posted on my channel, and we got 400 replies. Then I posted this one, NFT Matic drop, put in your ETH wallet for a free NFT, 3,500 already owned, retweet, and we got 300 replies. Then I said NFT Matic drop, 10,000 will be minted, 3,500 already owned. Everyone who replies will get a free NFT, post your ETH wallet and follow to win. And this one blew up. You can see this has 6.4 thousand comments, 5,000 likes, and 4,000 retweets. No ads on a brand new Twitter account. This account had no followers, like 0 followers. Then we woke up the next day within 48 hours and we were pushing 5,000 followers on the account. That caused some people to reach out, like Kabir, who was following the Lazy Lions and also liked us from our YouTube channel, reached out to run the Betty's NFT project. And the rest is history. We're about to airdrop these Betty's. We've got a developer. Everything's coming together now thanks to a couple tweets on Twitter. Where else would you tweet? If you want to know this strategy in detail, by the way, I would look at Twitter 10K because we actually have a case study of Betty's plus other ways that we've grown Twitter accounts now. This is the 3rd Twitter account that we've grown in a very short period of time to over 3,000, 4,000 subs. This is something that we're getting very, very good at. So if you want to see that process, I would check out Twitter10K.com. Here's some questions for you. What do you think about Betty's? If you love them, I want to do a giveaway. So comment your Ethereum wallet down below, and we'll give away a Betty to one of the lucky people. Share this video and like this video and leave your Ethereum wallet down below for your chance to win a Betty. If you want to grow on Twitter, check this out. This video is brought to you by Twitter 10K. Get your first 10,000 followers and make your first $1,000 on Twitter by following this step-by-step process. Check it out at Twitter10K.com. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.